Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete a board here in Jira. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Jira, I need you to click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Deleting a board in Jira is a straightforward process, but should be done with caution because it will remove the board and its configuration from this system, right? Now, ideally, deleting a board in Jira can be a important step for maintaining an organized and efficient project management environment. For example, if the board is no longer needed or has become redundant due to its changes in project structure or processes. Now, there are multiple ways for you to be able to do that. One way is go to the projects and click on the view all projects. What will happen? These are going to be the boards that you have on your project. We have the Scrum board where we have a separate video on how to create a Scrum board that you might want to check out on our channel. Basically, there's a 3 dots option on the more actions, and all you're gonna do is click on this section that says move to trash. Okay, I want you to delete that, but please be mindful of the pop-up window. This service, along with its request, automation rules, and a lot more, will be moved to trash. And only Jira admins can restore the service project from trash within 60 days. After 60 days, it will be permanently deleted. If you are sure about it, you might want to click on the move to trash. Okay? But again, maybe just move to trash for now. Do not permanently delete it because after 60 days, it will be deleted anyway. So maybe, I don't know, if you have like something in mind that could change your heart, you might want to do so, all right? Here, there's an option also to, instead of moving to trash, just click on archive if you wanted, all right? If you do that, again, the project along with its issues, Jira components, and a lot more attachment will be read-only and be accessed via a direct link. Archive projects won't be appear in directories and their issues won't appear in search. All right, all you're gonna do is click on that. And if you wanted to restore, you might gonna go to the trash option. This is where you have deleted the board. Okay, for example, the board was created for a project or team that has been reorganized, merged, or decommissioned. Removing boards permanently ensures that only active and relevant boards are visible. And if you wanted to delete this entirely, just click on delete permanently, and again, they're going to be receiving a pop-up window. All right. You also have an option to back up before you continue, and we're going to do that in the next video. But for now, let's click on delete, and that's how you do it here in Jira. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.